Hey guys, I hope you're well. It's Alessio speaking today from Dartmoor National Park, an amazing place, by the way. I highly recommend it. Beautiful scenes of nature here. Anyway, what I want to talk to you about today, we talked quite a bit about Bitcoin, as I'm sure you probably noticed. Almost a lot of our videos are about Bitcoin. In this video, though, I want to bring your attention to another altcoin, which we don't talk about in our videos. I do talk about it in our member videos, but what I want to talk about in this particular video is XRP or Ripple. Anyway, XRP. The reason I want to mention this because it's holding a lot better. XRP has actually been holding a lot more stronger than Bitcoin and even Litecoin and some of the rivals. XRP, as a matter of fact, already has put in quite a decent rally in the past few weeks. And as you'll see from this chart, XRP versus BTC or XRP BTC has also perhaps put in maybe a potential bottom. As you can see from this chart, we had divergence, bullish divergence, we had a reversal. So it's possible to argue that XRP BTC has put in a sort of a potential reversal or maybe a bullish reversal of some sort. It could be long term, we'll have to wait and see. Bottom line is though, as far as XRP USD is concerned, XRP versus dollar is concerned, it's interesting that this particular chart shows to us that XRP has put in a sort of a double bottom formation. We had one low, then a second low, and that second low that XRP put in did not exceed the lows of the previous one. So it looks like a potential double bottom formation, which often, as you probably know, double bottom formations are a very strong bullish reversal signal. Now, it's a bit too early to say this is a bottom for XRP because there are so many uncertainties right now, you know, with Bitcoin and Litecoin and so on and so on. But nonetheless, it is possible, you might argue, that if XRP manages to push through some major resistance levels, if it pushes above, for example, some key resistance levels, as you see on this chart, then it's possible to argue that, you know what, that maybe this could be a potential bottoming formation for XRP.
Savvy.
Provided that those lows hold, provided the lows formed the last couple of weeks and in the last couple of months, as long as those levels hold. If those levels don't hold, and we see XRP, you know, breaking that level, then forget it. I think we're heading potentially a lot lower.
That's gross. I can't stand that.
But at the moment, look, it's possible to argue that XRP is putting in a nice bullish, perhaps reversal pattern, a double bottom formation. We just need to see if XRP can now get through resistance. If it can do that, it's possible to see an uptrend developing in XRP in the weeks and months ahead. There's a lot of risks involved here, so we need to be mindful of the risks involved here. So bottom line is we need to see if XRP can hold the previous levels, the previous lows that it formed the last few months. All right, guys, thanks very much indeed. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.